Are you planning your next trip to Singapore? But do you know your country might be banned from entering with no warning? Headlines claim 10 countries no longer welcome in 2025. But are they real or just sensational rumors? Today we break down the truth. Stay until the end and find out whether these countries are actually banned or if it's just travel clickbait. If you want the facts, not the fear, hit that subscribe button now. Let's bust some myths together. What we know so far. Singapore's official position. Singapore's Ministry of Foreign Affairs publishes travel advisories and notices. These warn citizens about safety and advise about travel, but do not list blanket bans on foreign nationalities. Visa policy. Singapore does have visa exemptions, visa required in advance, and visa-free entry for many countries as regulated by policy. It does not enforce a widespread ban on entire nations. Sanctions and restrictions versus bans. Some confusion comes from sanctions lists. For example, Singapore enforces United Nations sanctions on countries like Russia, Iran, and North Korea, mostly related to trade, finance, strategic goods. These are regulatory restrictions, not full bans on citizen entry. Also, past health crises like COVID-19 that led to temporary travel restrictions for travelers from certain regions, that's not the same as permanently banning citizens by nationality. Rumored countries and speculations. Some videos claim that some countries are banned, but there is no record in the official MFA or immigration sites confirming this. Mistaken reasons, wrong interpretation of visa required in advance, or travel advisories, or even health restrictions. Here is some myth versus reality. Myth: travelers from India are banned. Reality: not a full ban. There have been restrictions during COVID times, but currently Indian nationals must follow visa and entry rules like many other countries. No blanket ban in 2025. Myth: North Korea, Iran citizens cannot ever enter Singapore. Reality: sanctions exist for financial and business dealings, but entry restriction claims are unverified. What can you do if you're worried? Always check official sources: Singapore MFA, ICA, Immigration and Checkpoints Authority, or official government sites of your country. Don't rely on clickbait videos or rumors. Make sure your travel documents are valid, visa in order, check health or transit requirements. So what's the verdict? Most claims of 10 countries banned from Singapore 2025 are myths. Yes, Singapore has sanctions, visa rules, and travel advisories, but no credible evidence supports blanket bans by nationality in 2025. If you've seen a claim that your country is banned, double-check the MFA or ICA websites. If you've heard of someone who was refused, share their experience in the comments below. The truth matters. Like this video if you believe facts matter, share with people who might be worried, and subscribe for more myth-busting and travel clarity.